What's up, you guys? It's Simone Flawless back with another video. So today I'm doing a 5x5 closure install using Wiggins. And right here we're going in with a lot of body spray. It says it tames the frizz and, gives the hair moisture and shine, all of that stuff. So I figured it'd be good for curly hair. Never used this product, so we're just seeing how it works. I actually liked it, but at the same time, it didn't keep the curls looser. Like the curls kept, the curls are way too tight for me, honestly. But yeah, y'all just gonna see me work through the curl pattern some and try to tame all this big poofiness because I don't really like it. But yeah. Once I tame the curls to the best of my abilities, we're going to move on to... Okay, so I was just showing you guys that the hair does shed. Of course, all curly hair sheds. We're adding more product on there because I feel like I missed some spots. I'm trying to give this product a chance. But if y'all want to know exactly how this product is working on this hair, I can let y'all know in a video. I can, style the hair or whatever. Just leave a comment, you guys. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the parting. I'm gonna speed up this part because you guys kind of get the gist of everything, I'm sure. But I did not bleach the knots. I just put on that Ebin Lace tint in the color, let me see, what color was that? In the color light warm brown. Yeah, I just had to pick it up to see the color, the name of the shade for anyone that's needing to know. But yeah, so didn't bleach the knots. I barely plucked this unit and I'm just, continuing to work with the curls to see if I can get it how I want it. This is my first time doing a curly hair unit. Okay, moving on to the hot comb. We're just flattening out the front and the top of the unit. Yes, we're doing it while it's wet. It actually turns out a tad bit better, gets the hair flatter, and kind of trains the hair to stay in place from my experience of doing this, installing units or whatever. So this is my first curly hair unit. I didn't exactly know how I wanted it to look, but we're going to figure it out as we go. But the goal right now is to get it as flat as possible. So just keep watching until the next step. Okay, so now I have removed the gray band to show y'all that the lace has laid down to the best of my ability. Yeah, ignore my brows. I don't know what's going on, honey. We're not going to talk about it. That's that on that. Anywho, so now I'm just going to keep wetting up the wig because it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving for me. So, yeah, I'll be back on the next step. Okay, so I decided to go back in with the hot comb just to, make sure everything is flat. I'm going to be using this hot comb as much as possible. It's like my best friend doing units. If you don't have a hot comb and you're doing a unit, just don't do the unit, okay, period. So yeah, now we're gonna cut the lace. This is the fun part, cause it's like, oh my God, bitch, did I do it? Oh my gosh, this is the moment of truth. I did it, bitch. Okay, period. Yes, cut the lace. So yeah, I used a razor to cut it because I think that kind of gives it more of a natural look. Okay, so my baby wanted to join us. I'm using, the next step would be defining the part, and I'm using F concealer in the color Ivory and a little angle brush. We're just gonna straighten up the part a little bit more. And like I said before, no, I did not pluck. I'm sorry. I did not pluck this unit really. I plucked the front of it some, but I also watch Arrogant Tay methods on his baby hairs and plucking. So I think that kind of helped me because, of course, everybody knows he slays. So yeah, I haven't like studied his videos or whatever, but I've definitely gotten some tips and tricks from him. So I advise you guys to definitely watch his video because it helped me a lot. Okay. Trying to see what is it giving. Scalp. I'm feeling this. I just need something to keep it a little more flat like this. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the baby hairs. I just make like mini C's in the front to like curve out the baby hairs, if that helps anyone. And that cakey look or the flaky look came from the lace spray that I use by Ebin. Also the same brand that I use for the lace tint. You can get that at your local beauty store. Yeah, so let's just get into these baby hairs, get to plucking them, get them as light as possible. I like natural baby hairs. And then move on to the next step. Okay, now we're just repeating the same thing on this side. So I'm not going to do too much talking for the rest of this video. You guys just pay attention and see if you can catch on to what I'm doing. This is beginner friendly, so take your time and it should come out pretty freaking cute, okay? Now, one thing I don't like about this, I could have sworn I ordered the buy one get one free, and they said that I didn't. So, kind of suspect about that because you go to their website right now. If you click on the curly wig that says buy one get one free or whatever, you should get 2 wigs. That's what I was expecting, so I can come right back with another hair video. But I'm gonna just play with this wig and it'll get the job done, bitch. The lace is not bad at all. I didn't have to pluck it. Really, I plucked the front just a little bit, but honey bye, you don't need to pluck this. So now we're gonna curl the baby hairs. This is the trick that I was telling y'all I got from Arrogant Tay. I went to the hair store, grabbed some things, and saw these little flat irons, and it was like, oh my god, so cute, and they're pink, so yes. Okay, so on this part we're just laying down the edges what got to be glue. Y'all gonna see me kind of struggling. Y'all gonna see me just figuring this out. I put some on the other part of the front of the lace just because it helps keep the hair separated in a sense, and just smooth that out. You know, just make everything look as natural as possible. Perfection is the goal, but you gotta start somewhere. I decided to put some Jamaican castor oil on this hair just because I felt like it needed some type of oil. This may not be the best oil to use. Use a oil to your discretion. I would like for you guys to comment curl products that help tame the curls and keep them, you know, kind of loose and not as poofy and you know, fluffy. I like this loose look. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys a closer look at the lace. Do you guys like it? Are you feeling it? We're gonna wet the hair again. But this is the end of the video. I just want to give you guys an up close 360 before the video ended. I really want to know if y'all want more hair videos, because I'm actually getting to the hair videos. I just, yeah, whatever. Subscribe to the channel, help me grow. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Just giving scalp purr.